glad we did that. That was very difficult.
My dream is to have you do a TikTok with me.
One day.
Go!
Welcome back! Welcome back to my videos, boys. So there's one thing, and I always pronounce the word actually. Well, I actually don't have a GoPro, and for today's video, I want to make a POV driving my 2016 Subaru WRX video. But first things first, I had a homie hit me in the comments, and he told me he really wants me to make a video about the 04 and the 16, but I cannot remember what he said. Now, please hit me in the comments again. You wanted a 04 comparison to the 16, or which one I like better? I honestly cannot remember. Forgot to write it down. Even though I said I was gonna get that video out ASAP, I still want to make it. Go down in the comments and let me know, and I'll make that for you, brother. Don't worry, no cap.
Oh my gosh, right when you said that, it went blurry.
Really?
No cap blur.
Oh yeah, no cap. So a lot of stuff's been going on out in this world. Everybody, I hope you guys are staying healthy. I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay inside. Don't drive. Make sure to live your best life.
Sorry, I didn't know there was a step.
Bro, what is on your head? What is on your head, dude?
It's the tape It is tape to tape your phone to your head.
It looks like we have reached that point of the video. I'm gonna be taping my cell phone to my head because I do not have a GoPro, and I still want to give you guys that POV driving video. So Sophie, I need your help. You're gonna have to tape my phone to my forehead.
We got this. Come here.
Alright. Okay. Just.
Can you like somehow like kneel, like get on your knees, because you're kind of tall.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Yeah. I don't know what you want me to do, bro.
Like this, like you're praying to the gods.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay.
Yo, can you grab my camera? Yo, you taped my hand. You're not supposed to tape my hand. No, this is. Oh my! It is so loud on my ears. Honestly, it's kind of blinding or deafening.
Wait.
Okay, Sophie. Honestly, it's already feeling super tight.
Okay.
It's feeling tight, like it's on my head.
Right here. One more.
Okay.
Remember, you keep looking at so.
Oh, sorry. I forget where I look. The camera goes.
Uh-oh. Ow.
Yeah, you just punched me. Bro. Let's go. Lag. POV driving, let's go.
I have to push start.
Oh, yeah.
Can you go back down?
Bro, it's super hard to film this.
You're tall.
Okay, come over here.
Okay, go down.
Okay, what are you doing?
Go down, putting start.
I'm trying to film this.
Oh,
I heard it. We filming. Boys, we live.
No.
We live.
Turn around.
Okay, bet 360. Let's go, bro. Improvising for the GoPro. Yeah, all right. Here we go. This is what I see, boys. This is what I see. See my hands?
Film the whole thing and then it's not like.
Hello. Everybody say hi. Let's go, bro. This is the move. Okay, here we go. Dude, I really hope. Can you see what's going on? Okay, over on this access port, I'm monitoring this oil temp, and I honestly want to wait till that hits like 160 before I start boosting. So we just kind of have to drive very peacefully. I cannot believe how well this is working.
I thought it was gonna be way harder.
All right, our temps are looking a lot better now. The car is officially warmed up enough to start boosting. So boys, 2016 Subaru WRX, here we go. Let's go! I gotta get over in this lane. Woo, baby, let's go. Oh, here comes a tunnel. This is the famous tunnel I always hit in my videos. This is the tunnel, and I'm super hyped to hit this one. So let's get some good footage of it. We're at a red light, so we're gonna be able to hit that second gear, pushing through the tunnel. Usually pops. I'm praying for a pop. Let's get it. Is this still recording?
Yep.
Bet.
Hi.
So first, I don't have enough. Oh! Bumpy road, oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it gets worse. This used to be a golf course and they totally just wiped it all out, and I'm sure they're gonna build houses over here now, but I just can't believe that used to be a golf course. That is insane. Sophie and I, we actually used to live out here, a little bit over that way though. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. Please, ma'am, let me over. Thank you very much. Let's go. I kind of like this divot right here. Sup, G-Ma? What's good, shorty? Oh my, the pops are so real right now. The pops are so real. Yo, my favorite part, reflection gang. Is that what I look like?
Rona time.
Rona time, boy, let's go.
Rona.
Revving it next to this is gonna be lit. Yep. All right, let's stop this. Okay. How do I take this off? Just take it off like this, you think?
Yeah.
Actually, I just wanted to state we are now selling River-made GoPros on the website. They should be live after this video. Okay, get out. Should I leave it unzipped or should I zip it?
Unzip.
Yeah, I agree. That looks pretty fresh. Yo, we're about to come into Smith's to get some essentials. You'll see as soon as I find it on the shelves. This product, you guys all need to try. It is my most favorite thing ever. Super, super good. Reliable, high in nutrients and everything that you need. Let's go grab it. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing.
That means I have to test it out.
No, this is honestly the...
Might as well get two.
This is the best thing you could ever intake into your life. Okay, we need to buy this right now. It's the best.
Get two. No, yeah. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Put your cereal freaking in the back.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'll buckle it up.
Okay,
for
how do
you.
we return back to our, okay. We're going back to, oh shit.
Yeah. No, you're chilling.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to log back in, boys. Dude, it's tighter this time. It's a lot tighter. Can you make sure I'm going? All right, we are back I just want to appreciate Post. You have done it. This is literally a s'mores in cereal. No other words can explain this. You know, looking at the nutrients facts, we'll just continue past that. We don't really need to worry about that. Satisfy. That is the cereal live in person. All right, that's all you get. All right, boys, we are back on the road again. Let's go. Yo, look at our boy. Let's go. You like Subarus? Oh, baby. I just realized we are getting low. I always fill my tank at a quarter left. That's actually a little bit lower, but I usually try to fill it at a quarter left, so then the fuel pump is always submerged in fuel and it is never sucking air. Oh my God, there's a police. Do we just act normal? Should we just act normal? Look away, look away. We back. He didn't notice. We lit. Long story short, I have to get gas. Let's do it. Where are we gonna get gas?
Chevron.
Hey, yeah, no, you're right. Give me some skin for that.
Get gas for a Subaru Maverick.
Thank you. Respect. Woo! I always have to take my shoe off so I don't crease it. Other than that, you put a gnarly line right there, and honestly, I just hate it. So, okay, this video we're gonna pull the gas trigger right this time. I have this little hook right there, gang. All right, boys, 91 is 2.6. Oh, that's higher than in Kirk's video. Gas was so low. I don't know if it's just the location or what, but I'm okay with it. I don't care. It's still pretty low. Authorizing. No. Okay, bet. People are probably looking at me like, what is this dude doing? Dude, what is even going on right now? Yep. All right.
Sophie's at the gas station on the river.
Oh yeah, always drain that extra out. If not, it drips down your car and it sucks. What?
Gas smells so good.
All right, let's get out of here. What else you want from me, huh? Okay, bet.
Well, that's not safe.
This did wonders. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself. It took a lot of thinking and engineering. What?
Who are you proud of?
Myself? And Sophie?
That's what I thought.
I gotta undo this, bro. What did this do to my beanie? Ah. Okay, we are back in business, man. That was a struggle. You're lucky.
Why? POV from Sophie's point of view. This is what I see.
This is what she's got to deal with.
Get
I guess we're gonna have to end today's video right there. I have important work I need to do. It's very confidential. Other than that, I'll see you guys next video. Peace out. Let's go!
family dinners!
Isn't that just something else?
It's really good.
I know. Nothing can cap it.
Oh wait, actually, dude, I might be obsessed.
I just bought a brand new foreign last week. Almost lost my life, I was moving high speed.